Hey everybody, Larry Knowles, Larry's Tackle, Mount Vernon, Illinois. Out on Wren Lake this afternoon, getting ready to come up a thunderstorm. Caught 16 and kept 10. Caught some really nice fish today. Just caught a bunch like this. Back here. I can't get them. Anyhow, just a bunch of fish like this today. It's getting ready to come a thunderstorm. I'm not going to keep them. I'm going to release them. But they was dandy fish. Good ones. That. Nice ones. Just good and making my phone dirty. Dandy fish. Just a fun afternoon on Wren Lake. I guess they just biting good before this storm hits or something, but anyhow. Some really nice quality fish for Wren Lake. Anyhow, and all of them today. Caught them on the 9-foot hot rod, Timmy Tom's gin and jigs, weedless jigs, canine 20-pound braid yellow, Timmy Tom's weedless jig head, and the beaver bottom white lightning. Boy, you bring it by them and they just bam. Fun day. Anyhow, you need to get out here. I put in an Ina again, and I'm out here in these stumps, and they don't ever stump have fish on them, but you look for them. A lot of these stumps will have 2 or 3 fish on it, but you bring it by them and they'll just mash it. Anyhow, Larry Knowles from Larry's Tackle, going to get out of here before it starts lightning. You guys have a fun afternoon. Thanks for following me, and try to stay tuned and tag me or follow me, and I'll keep you posted on what's going on to the best of my ability. You guys have a great day. Larry Knowles, 618-214-3630. Call me and I'll put you in some of this stuff. You won't be sorry. Good stuff. Thank you.